Good morning, my friends. Today is Monday, May 21st. As you all well know, last week was Mother's Day, last Sunday. I had a video, I had everything prepped and ready, and then I was out sick for a couple of days. Now don't worry, I'm doing good, I'm feeling fine, lots better now. But I was not in a place or a position where I could upload my video. So I just wanted to say, I'm sorry for being late. I can't control getting sick. I'm pretty stubborn. I try not to get sick because I got a lot of stuff to do and I ain't got time to get sick. Because all that does is just throw wrenches in your plans. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. How do you pigeon? Oh, you're going to want to stay tuned for this.
George Thorogood Destroyers Hot Money Tour, Sunday, July 8th, only at the Emerald Queen Casino.
Happy Mother's Day.
Northwest.
Summer is just about here in the Puget Sound, and whether you're looking to get out of town for a few or finally building the perfect backyard oasis,
that's yummy.
Extra summer spending money with
Go make yourself a Bloody Mary. Highly recommended.
Unwanted and even damaged valuables to the.
It's about 6 cloves worth of garlic. Red onion. Oh yes, that too. Garlic, asparagus, oil. Yummy. Also with the oil and spices, she put mozzarella and Parmesan grated cheese on the asparagus. I used smoked sea salt, pepper, granulated garlic, spices out of her new mortar and pestle. That's the old one. See how small that thing is? Here. Yeah, that one will fit inside the new one. And then, of course, butter, garlic, cloves, red onion slices. And now we put it in the oven to bake and baste about every 30 to 40 minutes, give or take. Now can you see what I'm up to? They've been going for about 2 hours now. We're going to take the top off and let them go for a little bit more. Throw those guys in there. And that's going to give me a chance to do the stuffing. Stuffing. It's done when it falls off the bone. That's a done pigeon. The asparagus got a little overdone. The birds are falling apart. And of course, stovetop stuffing. And there we have it. Yum.